Grit, bow. Lots of proof fitness, lots of proof juices. Sensei. Alright. Today's discussion, we were talking about being broke. You know, I'm the type person, I don't like that broke talk. And a lot of people consider themselves broke and that they're not actually broke, right? We're gonna dig a little deeper here. Alright. I want people to understand, right? There's 4 phrases that they use out here, and I don't know if you guys are like me, but I've been making a correlation with the words, and you know, y'all my people, we're a community, so I'm sharing this with you guys, right? Alright, everybody needs a coach. You guys can also order these shirts, alright? But that's neither here nor there. Listen right here. There's a term called paying attention. Right now, you guys are paying attention, right? A lot of these YouTube channels, you guys are paying attention, so they're getting paid off of it, right? So, with that being said, when you guys are paying attention to things, make sure that these things are educating you and increasing your value, like this video is doing right now, right? So it's a fair exchange right here, what we're doing. It's fair. So with that being said, right, you got people that love attention, that are attention, we call them attention whores. And you got people that just like to garnish attention, right? You got some people that don't know how to garnish attention. So they pay people, they pay companies to make people pay attention to them, right? You guys already know about the Super Bowl. Super Bowl just passed, Tampa Super Bowl. You know how much they paying for those halftime commercials? Do you know why they paying so much? Because 9 times out of 10, if you like sports, you're paying attention at that time. You're paying attention at the time. So that's going to equivalent to money, right? So let's stop right there with the paying attention, okay? Let's go into spending time with me. When people be like, yo, come spend time with me. You got chick, be like, come spend time with me. You got your homeboy that you probably like backing up off of, and he be like, yo, dog, you don't spend time with me no more. And you don't even know why you stopped spending time with bruh, right? There's something there. So they talking about come spend time with me. You're noticing that the time you spend, the time that you're investing, you're not getting nothing back. So you're squandering your time. But subconsciously you're doing it, you're not conscious of it. So we need to be awake and we need to be concerned, right? So let's go back to number 1. Paying attention. Number 2, come spend time with me, right? Alright. Number 3, I'm gonna talk about how you spend your day, right? You can't tell me you broke if you spend your day doing stuff that doesn't increase your value, right? Playing video games, laying up with your girl all day. Listen, it's cool. I love it, man. Say something. I love when a woman lay up under me. You dig what I'm saying? But I've always realized if your girl's spending time up under you so much, your money gotta be right. And I don't see how you tend into your business if your girl's always laid up under you. Now, if y'all both run the business together, that's something different, right? So, once again, how you spend your day, right? Let's spend our day wisely. You can't tell me you're broke if you're not spending your day correctly. If you spend your day hanging around your boys, your dogs, and y'all drinking all day and not even drinking, just careless time. You spending time with your boys, but you ain't getting nothing back. Listen, man, I love my dogs, man, but back up off your homies, man, for a little bit, man. Because all that, you eventually feel it in the pocket, right? It takes money to chill with your homies, right? Right? That time you could have been spending up in your value. If your homies are not up in your value, don't complain to me about being broke. All right? So now, we're going to the last thing about paying the price. What you pay attention to, 9 times out of 10, you're going to pay the price. Who you spend your time with, you're definitely going to pay the price. How you spend your day, once again, you're going to pay the price. You spend your time paying attention to something, you could have been spending your time paying attention to my video. That's actually going to increase your value, right? You spending time with people that don't increase your value, you spending time with people that are siphoning off your energy, right? You spending your day not wisely. We all got 24 hours in a day. All of us have the same amount of hours in a day. So how are you utilizing your hours? That's what I want to know, right? Well, that's what you need to know, because I know how to spend my day. doing stuff like this, increasing my value, right? So, once again, let's talk about that paying a price. All these stuff, we pay a price in our pocket, man. So if you're going around talking about you broke and you pay attention to all the sucker shit, all the stuff that doesn't increase your value, the gossip and things of that nature, watching people paying attention to the Joneses. If you're spending your time with people that don't increase your wealth, you know the 5 people that you spend your time with the most, you become the average. So look at your 5 best friends, man, your 5 people that you chill with the most. Then you gotta re-educate yourself, and I suggest back up off your friends a little bit also too. You can love your friends from a distance for a little bit, right? Bring back food for the pack. Alright, last but not least, how you spend your day. If you spend your day playing video games, chilling with your homies, doing nothing, laid up with a girl all day, and you telling me you broke, you're not necessarily broke. You're just spending your money the wrong way. Time is money. Energy is money. Energy is money. That's why they make the correlation. That's why they say paying attention, spending time with people, spending your day. You're going to pay the price. Investing your energy. All right? So now, before you guys ever use this term, I'm broke, always keep in mind the universe has an infinite amount of energy out there. All right? Infinite. So that means in actuality, you are rich beyond belief. You're rich. L.O.T.S approved. Sensei, click.
All this ain't gon' sell itself. All these ain't gon' sell itself. Traffic back and forth, it ain't gon' sell itself. Sell it by yourself, don't need no one's help.